What's up, guys? Today I'm doing the O2 sensors on the Mustang. I took off one. There's three more. Right now I'm gonna open apart and I'm gonna make sure it's the right one because I should have taken this off and then looked. Parts brought to you by Rock Auto. That's the receipt and stuff. Okay then. Let me put you guys down. Let me set you guys up. All right, guys. Today what I'm doing, guys, is changing. I'm have this right here so I can bust out this other one so I can show you the new one and the old one, and we're gonna see if it's a match. It should be a match. I think it is. We're gonna see. So yeah, oh no, it's not. What? Why are these shaving off? These are shaving off. These aren't. Like right here. This one is. Gosh. Stupid package. It's good packaging, actually. They did real good on the packaging. It's all sealed. So it's the same. It just doesn't have these things on the side. It broke. They ripped them off. These things. And this one. Where is it? Over here. One, it looks like they were like bent or something was holding it to like take them off. Well, it's the same thread pitch and everything. This one's fatter, has more holes. And these guys are the cheapest ones on Rock Auto. They're the economy brand because right now, like I've told you in the other videos, I am going with economy with this car so we can see how good Rock Auto's parts are. And I haven't drove the car yet, so the alternator, I'm thinking that was already kind of like a bad deal going on already. But you know, it's sometimes you get a dud, you know, it's just what it is. I don't want to say it's already bad because I already got one from economy. I already ordered from economy and I ordered an alternator and it came bad. But stuff happens, you know. Just because that happens doesn't mean economy is always going to be bad, you know. Which economy, which would mean the cheapest brand you can go with, which would be Ultra Power. I think this is the parts number. Yeah, parts number would be I think it is 250240001, because that's what it says over here on the paper that I have that they send you. The one that says you can return it and all that stuff. So let's say it was wrong. You use the same box, guys, and you print out a sticker, you put it on the box, and you send it for free. I thought it was a big ordeal sending parts back. It's not. It's super simple. If you don't mind waiting a couple days, oh my gosh, it's way better than going other places, and you know. But if you can, you need it right there and then, well, you know, you need to go over there and you need to get it. But it fits, looks good. It even has some, what do you call it, that stuff that's on there right now? It's so the threads won't lock up. I forgot what it's, I think it's anti-seize is what it's called. So I'm gonna put it back on there and I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna install it now. But it's all the same. just doesn't have these things, and that's just so it can like align right. But what's gonna align right is this clip, and I'll show you that, guys, right now. Let's put this one already in the box. It's no good with the plastic. Throw it in the trash. Awesome, awesome. And I got these hooks from Harbor Freight. They're awesome, guys. They're awesome. You take out the clip right here. Well, you press in between. I'll show you with the other ones right now. I just want to take off one to see if I could take it off, because I don't know, guys, the other ones might be hard, you know. I might need some heat and hammer. So we're gonna check the other ones right now. I gotta take off my gloves so I can press pause on you guys, so I can set you guys up in there. Alright, guys, we're back. The hole's right here. I can't show you guys because the tripod's a little bit hard to put up in here, and I have it kind of jacked real high where I'm kind of scared to jack it anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna plug it in. Don't worry about those tabs, because I hope you guys can see, because the way I'm angled. Oh my goodness. See, the tabs go here and here, but I'm just putting it on there just like that. I'm gonna have to get some zip ties and tie it up, because it was actually tied. And clean that hole. It's all dirty. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I hit the camera. Oh, I really don't fit under here. I need to jack it up higher, I guess. Oh shit, I think I'm gonna have to unhook it because of the... I should have never connected it first. Don't do what I did. Learn from my mistakes. Don't connect it until you screw it in first. Oh, I hit the camera again. Oh man. Damn, guys, sometimes that's why I don't film, because it's very hard, and I'm tired, you know, and I'm trying to go fast. Maybe I should jack it up higher, huh? I think I want to try that. Let me pause you guys, because this is I can't do it no more. It's just not. It's okay. I jacked it up like 2-3 pumps. Even the jack's freaking loose. But I think it's the other. It's because I don't know how to use this tool. Just get this tool, guys. It's good. But the thing is, I don't know how to use it. Ouch. I'm getting cramps in my stomach. Ouch. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I think that's good enough, but I'm gonna call you babe. What the fuck? Oh shit. Too much with my girlfriend. Too much time. Called you guys babe. What the fuck? Pardon my French. Oh, that was funny. One down and 3 to go. Alright guys, let's see if we can loosen this one. Take it off this clip. This clip, guys, has crud. See, I can't even get my other arm. I'm on back. I'm flat on my back and I'm just too big. I'm too fat. I'm a fat charge, like TJ says. He subliminally calls me a fat charge. You hater. I got your fat charge. No, I don't know who he's calling. He's just saying fat charge. I got fat, guys. Yeah, no, wait, don't be eating. See, I guess I get it and I push this in. Whoa, okay. Oh, the connection's broken. This one's broken because the person didn't know how to take it off. Come on, brr. Come on, brr. You gotta buy these $2 picks, man. Maybe I should have, I hope you guys can see. I don't think you can even see which one I'm taking off. It's way up in there, that's one. Yeah, I need to put this over here on this side. And the new one is dragging. Is it down or up, guys? Oh, which one was this one, you schlum? This one was, I think that way to release it. I think that's good enough. So up, right? So I get it mixed up, guys, with my dyslexia. It's like, no, it's towards me. I felt it get tight. Yep. This one's towards me, guys. And that's how you change them, guys. Right now I just took off the second one. And that's it. It's a, I'm gonna show you this wrench. This is the one that really helps. All right, guys, this is the wrench. I got it at Northern Tools, oxygen sensor wrench. And I Googled before I Googled what size the Mustang 1998 size of the O2 sensor, and it said 7/3/8 22 mil. This is the wrench. Get it, guys. It's a real good investment. You saw me take off the O2 sensors really easy. Probably because they're all greased out and stuff. And I did put lube. Actually, I even used the Dollar Tree one. It's over there. Dollar General, saying that this stuff works pretty good. Yeah, let me get the other one in, guys, and that's it. I got the other two in that one, and I got another one in that one. So yeah, I'm gonna put down the other one, guys, and that's it, guys. That's how you change a O2 sensor on a 1998 Mustang GT. I'm actually going to turn it on right now and see how it starts. So I'm actually not gonna outro the video, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna pause you real quick. All right, guys, I couldn't get the other O2 sensors, guys. Oh shit, sorry. They were seized on. I had to go to a muffler shop, or this Friday ask my dad if I can borrow his torch. Oof. Heat it up, a little heat and hammer, because the two in the front, they're like right there, guys. I should have showed you where they were at, but I already set the car down and everything. The car's already done. So, but I'm gonna turn it on right now, guys. I make videos, guys, like, how do I say it? Like I stockpile my videos, you know what I'm saying? And I think like last video, it didn't want to turn on because I accidentally, I think I told you guys in that I had talked about it in that other video, but now it's turning on. I disconnected the battery, both terminals, negative and positive, and I resetted the computer because I accidentally got a wrench and I touched the other battery. I was on the negative, tightening it. No, positive. And when I went like that, I crossed over and like it went through the wrench in my hand, my body and everything. It made a spark. I was like, whoa. And I think it messed up the car because it didn't want to turn on. It was that day, it didn't want to turn on. I was explaining and now it turns on. The water pump is messed up, so it's throwing water everywhere. Right now I'm gonna reverse it. Right over there, back where it was at. And yeah. Oh, now it doesn't want to turn on.